avoid you. I didn't say anything. Me say you use all of them rank here to catch a eye. All of them. And the mistake when the whole of them make I accept you. Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you for accepting for my life. Me not afraid of you. You must be mad. Me see them accept Blamdem and you did that. You say you're shit in a plate and them they on the life with the same way. Blamdem me not lie. Me that tell you some things out of my mouth. Yeah? You don't have to come out for your life, you know? You don't have to come out for your life. You don't have to hang up. You could never come on my program and say transmission shit in a play. I say Blamdem, you didn't know where you come unless you come for wipe out my body after cocky stab it. You know where you did come. So you don't need it to tell me where your job where you come for though. Make me bend over your wipe. You're not carrying a tissue so use your tongue. Yeah? Me don't know how them sit down and have you on them program and disrespect them so. No. Me never gonna stand for that. Me eat your garments. Me never gonna make you do it. I wasn't going to sit and allow that to happen. Me not them girl and me not idiot girl. So when you team up with Rosealee and me use one stone and kill two Goliath, I think me and David. When everybody I use one stone kill two birds, me use one stone and kill two Goliath. You're mad. Me never gonna make you get through with me. That's why you see Jayden do it and you take it from Jayden and you run with it. Cause Jayden accept many people in order to steal them eye by bringing them down. So you sister Jayden do that now and you take up Jayden button and you come up and you can bite off a big dog like Jayden. Cause you bring down Jayden and take Jayden's spot, right? So you think say now you can walk on and keep your spot for everybody. You never ever come to me with it open bottom Blamdem. Your bottom open like open house. Yeah, you never ever do that with me. You never did ever do that with me. Never, ever did ever do that with me. You're mad. You talk about, hey, but can me come on, come. Blamdem anytime you're ready. Blamisha, anytime you're ready. Anytime you're ready. Yeah, Blamisha, anytime. Yeah. Trust and believe. Anytime you're ready. Can you supposed to free for come out of your house now in a Blamisha? Trust me. Me I tell you. Shh. Me hear Shay say, the reason why I don't send ice there because I don't want to get David. I don't know Mr. David. I don't know Mr. David. I don't know David. I don't know your man, brother. I don't care about David. You may come for. You. I don't care about David. When she can talk about David, when she don't know. I don't know David. Oh, David, I don't know where you are do. Say, so David put you out to the world. Dirty batty man. Blamdem me a work, you know. Don't think so me not work. As much as I used to be saying yes, me a work. Me a work. No, me a work for sure. Not because you see me sitting here, so I'm working. Me a work, trust me. I tell you, say Rosealee set you up and you don't believe me. Rosealee set. Then come in a dog-eat cheese. Dog get nasty cheese. Cheese with a good body and the money. Come here, cheese. Can you do your shape and you don't do your skin? You're lumpy like porridge when it's cold. You ever stir it caramel porridge yet after it's settled and it's cold? You ever stir it? You're full of lump cheese. Your skin dent up like Kendall Crush. Cheese me not tell you lie. Your skin look like you zinc. You know, you zinc, yeah, and you come argue with me about show bed, show the shelter. May I wait? Show the shelter. Can you argue with a girl like me in 2025? I was a hitchhiker, I was a renegade. And you're the only girl I see I run through life with a knapsack. And this so you're living today. You have your living room for your back, your bedroom, all your kitchen, your washroom, everything you have for your back. Cheese, remember you're a hitchhiker. I boom your boom houses, your boom space, your boom sleeping space, like ride. I boom your boom things. What you say? It's an outside challenge, I want to give you cheese. Show the shelter at have window. Do this. Do this. And make it still for 5 seconds and see if I hear your footprint alone in it. Move, people are walking and you sleep. All I want to go to bed same time. You sleep in a group for your big woman, for your grandma. You sleep in a group. It's all night prayer meeting, you there. Wanna come together, you know? Wanna come together, cheese, and you really wanna argue with me, but I never see Shebada show her bed yet. Queenie show her bed and do it gone. Queenie show her bed and do it gone. You show your bed and get put out. Ivan show for your own and get put out. So tell me the truth now, cheese. When you say about she, you never see me show her bed yet. Where must I show it? Everything we wanna show on the